Hi, I am mysite. Today I am going to teach about Django for beginners. Firstly, I am going to uh, create a new Django project. This is the Django basic Django for beginners video series. Firstly, here I am going to create a new project. I name it as Django tutorial 2. I used to make this project using PyCharm, and there is the uh, base interpreter is uh, the location in my Python file. Then I made to create the project. After I create the project, this is the project folder, and this is the virtual environment. VENV means the virtual environment, and then I click the terminal. This is path to Django tutorial 2. Then firstly I am going to install Django to my project. To that I run pip install django. This is the folder. Django tutorial 2 is our virtual environment folder. Then this is our virtual environment, and I install firstly Django, and after that I am going to make the project folder, Django project folder. For that I write django-admin start project. I call it as mysite. Then in the Django tutorial 2 folder, the mysite Django project is created. To run the virtual server using Django, I should go inside mysite, and after that Python manage.py, and I run server. Then I go to this link. I copy this link. After that I open the browser and paste it. This is the basic, and this is the project. This is the page, inbuilt page of the Django, my project, and I run the project. If I can remove the server running using Control C. I can also run my web server using another port. Firstly, I can write python manage.py runserver and I can add the port. Then my server is at 5050. Likewise, then there is no server in 800. Okay, then I press Ctrl C and exit from the server, or I can open another terminal and go inside my site. I can run the server here. Okay, then I am going to make a app inside Django. Firstly, I am going to make main app inside the project. For that, I write python manage.py startapp and type main. Then inside my Django project, main startapp main app is created. After I create main app, this is here. In main app, there is a views, and also I'm going to add the Python file that call URLs inside the main app. That is Python file. Then I am going to import URLs and I import path in URL, and also I import views. I import views in same URL path, that is I import this URL, this views Python file I import. After that I write URL patterns is equal path and also I redirect to views dot index method. I name it as index. In the views in the views Python file inside main app, I am going to add the method called index. I add the parameters as response. I made it as index because the path after there can be like home or something, the path, and that redirect to the index views index method. Then I am going to import Django HTTP, and I am going to import HTTP response. after that I'm going to view return HTTP response. I'm going to view this. Okay, then this is inside the main, but when I run the application, that will run mysite and URLs. Firstly, from here I should redirect to my main app URL. For that I am going to path and also I am going to include main URLs. For that I should import path and also I should import include. Then I think that's it. Then I'm going to run hope. In here in mysite, this is the first redirection. In mysite, this is the first redirection. In here that will redirect to the mainnet URLs from this. Okay, then here this path should be like not like this. This should be like this. Okay, then it will be run. After this path will run, that goes to views index. Then it HTTP response is Hasita. Then I can also, this is mysite URLs. Mysite URLs means firstly go to this URLs, then after that I redirect to here. Then I can also run v1 version 1 or something. After that it will go to main URLs. After that go to home. Then I can add like that. Okay, I can also add the base path and base domain, and also I can add this kind of thing at first. After that going main URLs. In main URLs there is a URL home. Then after that it will redirect to the function views index. Views index is our HTTP views index. HTTP response is Hasit. That's it. Then I think this is the end of first lesson. Please subscribe my channel. I am going to continue this Django for beginners lesson one by one. In the future I am going to add bootstrap and also some registration and authentication, etc. And thank you.